everybody. So I am back with another Temu unboxing. It looks a little bit smushed, but it's okay. It doesn't look like it's torn or ripped or anything, so that's good news. This package is mostly stuff I got for my daughter. One item I got for myself. I'm hoping it works. So yeah, let's go ahead and I literally just got it from the mailbox, so cut into it so that I find the opening. There we go. Now, I am personally myself obsessed with Temu. I have to tell myself no a lot. So, yeah. But it's a great place to find birthday presents or Christmas presents or just general stuff you want to get or whatever. Okay, so this is one of the things I got. Let me, I'm at my desk today, so let's. This is, I am sorry about all the noise because I just got this out of the mailbox. This is one of those bow holder things. As soon as I can figure out how it comes apart, or comes unfolded. Let me readjust. So, it's gonna look weird, but there's that. Okay, now I'm gonna, there we go. That might be a little better. We'll find out. Anyways, so just ignore any of the stuff behind you there. It's a rainbow unicorn bow holder. Put bows on it. It's just made out of yarn and felt material and stuffing and, well, thread, of course. So, but it's cute, and it's gonna make a great addition to her room. I'm not for sure if it's gonna be birthday or Christmas, or just go ahead and hang it up in her room and start putting bows on it. But lots of room to go. So, but I like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and she likes unicorns and all that kind of stuff, so it's always a good thing. So put that back in there until I'm ready to put it somewhere in her room. Let's see, I got her a bow. I had a blue sequined little hair clip thing. Very shiny, very pretty. I mean, technically you could make it be silver too, just by doing that. Very cute. It'll be put on the bow holder just as soon as I put the bow holder in her room. Maybe figure out a way to make it hold headbands as well. I also got this cool little thing here. It is a kind of like a halo headband type thing, but it lights up. So we're gonna, it's supposed to fit her, so we will see at a later date. So, yeah. But it's pink feathers, obviously. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Ah, there we go. So it does light up. This was rainbow, I believe. It's supposed to be pink with the rainbow lights, which you can see that. Okay, so just that. I'm going to try putting this, because it came with this little thing between the batteries, so it wouldn't do anything. Otherwise, it would turn on no matter what. I think she'll like that. That might actually be given to her for her birthday. Her birthday crown is here. We shall see. There's one more thing in here that's for her, and then I'll show you the thing I got for me. So I got her this little necklace. And it's got a heart with butterflies, and it's very light purple stones. But I figured it also says "I love you" right here on it. But she likes butterflies. She likes color purple. She likes hearts. She likes jewelry. So, and also that if she wanted to, in a way, this could be kind of like a thing she could wear in remembrance of her grandmother that passed away, because her grandmother also loved butterflies and purple. Or she could just wear it in general because, you know, that's what she likes. But very, very pretty. I love it. She's gonna love it. Really pretty addition to her jewelry box. Now, the thing that I got that's for me, just toss that over to the side, is I got myself one of those strapless bra thingies that you just put on and cinch in the middle. It kind of has a silicone thingies on it. I got myself one of those. Do I think it's going to work? No. Do I hope it works? Yes. But for the price, I'm not going to be mad about it. So if it works, it works. If it doesn't, then I'm just not that much money, and I can always try and see if I can wipe it off somehow and sell it to someone who it would work for. But we're going to find out. I'm not going to do it on video, obviously, because no one wants to see that. But I will do an update video on if it does work or not. Sorry, my watch is giving me issues at the moment. I don't have, this is my watch, I don't have it tight, so it's too tight, so it likes to move around on me. But I've gotten 1,466 steps in so far today. But, so, and this is supposed to be tan color, I think. So, yeah. We will see if it'll work on my big boobies, considering I'm naturally blessed, and plus I had 3 kids, so I've got some naturally big boobies. Anyways, so, but that's the only thing I got for me. I will try that and see if it works, and if it does, then hey, I can wear some different shirts this summer. Other than that, I got the bow, the cute little necklace, the cute little halo thingy, and the bow holder for my daughter. I think I might just go ahead and put this up, or wait. I don't know. It depends on how things go, or where I decide. But this, I'm actually going to put back, and it's going to be a birthday present for her this year. Along with this, So these two are definitely birthday presents. And the bow and this, I'll figure that out later. So that might be one of those, you know, halfway through the year birthday present kind of things. Just because I want to put it up. I don't know. But, so yeah, other than that, that's really all I have for today. So, I mean, I have one other thing I can show you, but it's not Temu. It's something I did yesterday. I decided to try and do something new, and it worked. It's not done, but sorry for the noise in the background. I decided to try for the first time the double-sided sticky tape that you can get from Amazon. That's it's sticky on both sides. Well, I used it to do this. So I made my own little design, and this is the first time I've ever done anything like this, and I just put glitter on it. So yeah, and it's a glass mason jar style tumbler. It has the white screw-on lid, or, even though it looks really weird, the bamboo lid. And they also have the glass straws. So yeah, but this cup is mine. So I just wanted to show you guys, also show that off a little bit because I thought it was pretty cool looking. And all the glitter is sealed in with with one coat so far. I might do another coat or something of just clear spray. So clear coat of spray, like the spray paint style, but in clear. That's what I use, and that's how I got it sealed all in there. Other than, you know, the sticky glue adhesive on it. But I'm also going to put another type of sealant over top of it, just to double seal the effect on it. So yeah. So these are definitely birthday. These are probably going to be a in between, like a half birthday kind of thing. Or right before school starts, we'll put this up, get all of our bows and stuff ready for the year, and then kind of work our way through. Whenever we take one off to wear one, we don't put it back up until it's time to rotate. So have like a week or a month's worth of bows and stuff on here, and then rotate them out every week or every month. We'll see how that goes, but this is definitely gonna be a birthday present, and I know she's gonna love it. So, but that is my take. I am highly impressed. I mean, the only thing I'm kind of concerned about is the fact that this came a little bit bent, but I'm pretty sure I can get it straightened out to a more circular thing, so it'll go on her head a little better. And then the little bra thingy, if that works. But for the price that I paid, I'm okay with it. I mean, Temu's got some really great prices. I mean, I think this, literally the necklace itself was, I want to say $1, maybe $1.50. It could have been less than that. I know it was under $2 for this. This was like 80 cents, 80 or 90 cents. I was gonna get a gold one, but the gold one sold out before I could get it. And then this was like $2. And this was, I want to say $5, but I might be wrong. So, and then the bra thing was like just under $3. So, not too expensive. You can find better deals the more you look and refine your search. Like, say you go in there and you search for headbands. If you refine your search to a specific style of headband or specific age range, you can find good stuff, you can find good prices, and you can possibly even beat some prices that Temu has with other products that are similar as well from Temu. So I'm like, so seriously, this was literally like 80 cents. And I love it. She's gonna love it. I do have another package coming. It should be here sometime next week. It's supposed to be here. It'll be the latest date for it to be here is May 5th. So, and that one, I believe, was all for my daughter. So, when that gets here, I will do another unboxing. And, yeah. So, that is today's unboxing and chit-chat. If you guys like these kind of videos, leave a like or a comment. I'm still pushing to get my 100 subscriber goal. I know I'm not uploading videos all the time, but I have a life outside of YouTube, and sometimes, honestly, I just forget that I need to do a video, or I don't have anything worthwhile to do a more than 5 to 10 minute video. So, yeah. But, I am trying. I'm going to probably write down a list of ideas of videos I can do, and maybe, hopefully soon, get on a schedule to have my videos drop by a certain day at a certain time. Even if it's just one video a month, I'm still going to try to do at least one video a month from here on out. I know this month you got 3. This is the 3rd video I've done this month. So, the next one literally won't be until next month. But, yeah, so, if you have any ideas of any videos you'd like me to try and do, if you have any suggestions on, tips for little girl birthdays, even though I've done a few of them, we are trying to come up with a birthday theme for our daughter this year, and we are kind of, bleh. We have more than one type of event or type of theme we want to do, but she's going to be 10, and she likes the color purple, the color pink, butterflies, girly stuff, crafty things, makeup, jewelry, you name it. She's like her mama, but in little form. So we're thinking, don't quote me on this, but we are thinking we are going to do a princess makeover themed party for her this year. But we might not. We don't know. I'm right now. So if you guys can think of anything that an almost 10-year-old little girl might like that's into that kind of thing, leave your suggestions in the comments below, and I will get to them, and I will heart them if we put them on the to be considered list, and I will like them if they're cute to use for next year's birthday. I mean, I have time. Her birthday is not till December, so I've got plenty of time to come up with a theme. But, yeah. And then my son, he turns 2 this year, and his theme is dinosaurs. And it's going to be called Roaring Into 2. My God, I love my kids. But when they're little and tall, like, it's so much easier, and then they get up, and they grow up, and they start getting their own personality. It's like, what in the world do you do? Am I the only mom who feels that way? Or are there others out there? And if you're out there, please, by God, let me know what you do and how you do it. Because sometimes it's a little frustrating, to say the least. Try and figure out, okay, so teenagers, they're different. Then you got the ones going to the preteen. And you got your toddlers. And it's like, oh my good Lord. So, but yeah. Trying to figure out a theme for a soon-to-be 10-year-old. Trying to figure out what to do for a soon-to-be 12-year-old, and yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. And like I said, if you have any ideas of any videos or themes or just in general anything, let me know, and I will heart your comments. So thank you, and I hope you guys have a very good day. Bye.